So my first alarm just went off to turn up the raku firing. And one thing I'd like to stress is, like I said, I do 15-minute intervals, and I do listen to the fire to tell how far I'm going to turn it up. But one thing I told some girls the other night is I don't stress on exactly 15, you know. Some firings need a little leeway here and there, especially the crimson raku sometimes I found, or things made with that base, because I like to make my own raku glazes. But don't do that unless you have permission from Rebel. But as you notice, I'm still taking my time. I'm not like, oh my god, I need to do this now. But I don't think you'll be able to hear it, but I am going to set my phone down away from the raku. Probably don't kill him, like no heat for the phone, that's bad obviously. So I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, and the difference in the sounds of the fire, but I am going to go ahead and turn that up now. So let me set my phone down. Maybe you can hear it. Enjoy this nice rock texture. There you go. That's some nice scenery. So I don't know if you can hear the difference, but it's firing louder. I always turn it until kind of like it hits the next notch of loudness, kind of like turning up volume on a radio, I guess. I don't know, a little different maybe. But they are turned differently. But I am also melting little glass beads, so I am firing a little bit hotter than most people would normally fire. Plus I do have a lot of crimson in there, and crimson based glazes, like a yellow that I made. So anyway, that's how I turn up the kiln.